Gideon Black was an obsession. He was 6 feet of solid muscle with blonde hair, eerily gray eyes, and sexiness dripping from his pores. Desire and pure hunger gnawed at Skylar's insides whenever he was nearby. It was unhealthy. She didn't care. She wanted to climb him like a mountain, make him moan her name, and most of all, she wanted to eat a fucking candy bar because it would never happen. People such as Gideon didn't happen to people like her. He was a professional fighter, while she was a sometimes workout to burn off an extra 5 pounds in order to eat more chocolate kind of gym member. It wasn't as if she lacked in confidence or other such nonsense. It was more because of Gideon. He was extreme perfection. He was the kind of man she could never see with a girl over the age of 23. Not to mention one who possessed an ounce of fat on her perfect, youthful body. None of those things could be used to describe Skylar. Chances were good Gideon would never have known she even went to the same gym, much less glanced her way. That is, until she hit him with her car. There weren't many